We're doing really great. Let's fuel the grader. Press the pump. You're doing really great. Let's level the ground for laying the railroad. We need to fix a crack on the grader. Keep up the good work. Let's grind the welding seam. Ready. Look at the cloud and choose the same color on the spray gun. You're doing really great. Yeah. Now let's load materials into the dump truck. Hooray! Let's prepare an embankment for laying the rails. We need to wash the dump truck. Hooray! Aw. Let's fuel the track laying machine. Choose the fuel of the right color. Pump. Keep up the good work. Let's lay rails and sleepers. We need to fix a crack on the track laying machine. Keep up the good work. Let's grind the welding seam. Hooray! Look at the cloud and choose the same color on the spray gun. Amazing! Let's load road signs onto the dracing. Don't stop. Let's install traffic lights and a railway sign. Let's wash the dracing. Done! Good work. Let's fuel the railroad excavator. Press the pump. We did it! excavation pit for the foundation. We need to fix a crack on the railroad excavator. We did it! Let's grind the welding seam. Amazing! Look at the cloud and choose the same color on the spray gun. Don't stop! Let's load the concrete mixer. Keep up the good work. Let's pour concrete for the foundation and make a platform. Let's wash the concrete mixer. That's all. Keep up the good work. Let's load bricks for the first floor onto the open wagon. That's all. Let's build the first floor of the station. Let's weld a crack on the open wagon. Done! Let's grind the welding seam. You're doing really great. Look at the cloud and choose the same color on the spray gun. We did it! And now we need to fuel the crane with cargo bed. Pump. Keep up the good work. Let's put stairs and cover the second floor. We need to wash the crane with cargo bed. Ready. Good work. Let's load the flat car. Hooray! Let's build the walls of the second floor. We need to fix a crack on the flat car. Done! And now let's grind the seam. Ready. Choose the same color as in the cloud, to paint the stain. Keep it up. Doing really great. Let's load the glass transporting car. You're doing really great. Let's install windows and doors. Let's wash the glass transporting car. Keep it up. Right. And now we need to fuel the crane. Press the pump. Ready. Let's make a canopy and a roof. Let's weld a crack on the crane. Don't stop. Let's grind the welding seam. That's all. Choose the same color as in the cloud to paint the stain. Don't stop. Let's fuel the bucket lift. Pump. We did it! Let's decorate the station building. We need to wash the bucket lift. Hooray! To fuel the locomotive. Pump. Ready. Let's prepare the locomotive for a long journey. Let's wash the locomotive. furniture into the dining car. Hooray! Let's load luggage into cars. Let's wash the dining car. Keep it up. We need to assemble the train. Go on. Ready. The train has arrived. Let's conduct passengers to their seats.